Today we're going to solve the LeetCode problem 217 contains duplicate. Given an integer array nums, return true if any value appears at least twice in the array and return false if every element is distinct. So for our first example, we have nums equals 1, 2, 3, and 1. This will return true because there are two 1s. But for our second example, it will return false because there are no duplicates. In our third example, we will have multiple duplicates of multiple numbers, so it will return true. The best way to solve this problem is to create a counter, which is just going to be an empty set, and then we iterate through the array nums. So for n and nums, if n is in the counter, then we return true. If it isn't, then we have to add the number to the counter. And once the for loop is done, we return false. As you can see, this is the most optimal solution, and our time complexity is O of n, and our space complexity is also O of n.